Come on, guys, find the eggs. Find the eggs.
Come on.
Find the eggs. Toby knows how to do this game.
Watch what you're doing.
Nita. Get the egg.
Going here. You have to get out the door.
Get the egg.
Do with it, Nita.
Get the egg, Nita. It's right there.
Here, Nita.
Get him, guys. Get him.
Here, Nita.
Get him.
Tell me, but anyway.
Get the egg.
Nita.
Green one.
Yeah, you got a green one in your Easter egg.
Toby, here's a picture.
Green funny. Green
Smell
fire.
it, Nita. Nita, smell. Smell, Nita.
Toby says, I know what I do with it.
Here, take it, Nita. Get it.
Lolo.
Go find eggs.
Here it is. Gotta go find some more.
There's plenty of eggs, guys.
Come on, Nita. Let's go find some more. Come on, Nita.
Green paint.
Come on, Nita. Come on, Nita.
Green paint.
Yeah.
Green paint.
Yeah, green paint. Oh, Jesse found one.
Come on, Nita.
I hit him a little bit better.
The paint.
Nita found it, but she didn't get it. Oh, Shelby did.
Yep, Shelby got it. She's getting it.
I'm trying to. Come on, I can't get my phone to do it.
Oh, I'm taking a video
Good.
and pictures. And then she got it. She got it.
Come on, Nita.
Oh, my goodness. Jesse found one. Toby. Look right there. Get it. Is it in there? Is it in there? Is it in there? Got it.
Can you hold that?
Yeah, you got candy and toys in your Easter eggs, huh? Do you want to those? The puppies, they're like, oh, Easter eggs. Yeah.
Picture.
Oh, you're taking your temperature again? You're funny. Come on.
Shelby.
There's-
Somebody else does.
Jesse, look. Toby.
Got her away from it. Nita. Nita.
Toby. And then he's off with his Easter egg.
Green prize. Green paint.
Yeah.
Green. Shelby.
Yeah, those are cool.
Shelby.
Yeah. Toby or Shelby?
I think I got some underneath her. Got you interested a little bit, didn't I, Nita?
Lolo.
Those-
Shelby.
Yeah, that looks like Shelby, huh? Did you hide Easter eggs for your puppies? Huh? It's more fun to hide the eggs for your puppies, huh?
Let me get it. Shelby.
Oh, yeah.
Get it.
Yeah.
Shelby,
I think they
get
got them all.
No, here's one.
it. No. Where puppy?
Another one. Get it, Nita, get it. Ah, Shelby. Almost got bit. Uh-oh, Toby got it. Toby got it. Get it.
All right.
You didn't end up with it.